Hello and welcome to the online viewing for number 468 Alcester Road South. This is a 3-bedroom traditional property with good sized garden to rear. Okay, and then moving into the property, and we have the hallway here with a built-in storage cupboard here on the left hand side, and the stairs leading up to the first floor from here. And then down here we have 2 reception rooms and the kitchen, which then leads into the utility room where there is a downstairs toilet and access into the garage. So first reception room here, the front of the house. So a bay window to the front aspect. And then across to the second reception room. This one here at the rear of the property, which also has sliding doors opening into the rear garden. And then we have the kitchen. So plenty of cupboard space in here. Then we have a window overlooking the rear garden as well. We have a wall-mounted gas fire with back boiler, and there's also a built-in pantry here with shelving space. Okay, then we've got the utility area with plumbing for the washing machine, space for a fridge freezer, wall-mounted wash basin. That's the door going back into the kitchen. There's also a skylight in here. We have a door leading out to the rear garden, and then there's the downstairs toilet here as well. And we also have access into the garage. We can see from here, which has an up and over door to the front, and there's also a door to the side. Okay, and then up onto the first floor, we have the landing area here with built-in airing cupboard, and there's a separate toilet here with a lovely feature stained glass window. And then into the first bedroom. So this one here at the front of the property. So bay window to the front aspect. Good sized room. And then we can move across to the second bedroom. Again, really nice sized room. And this has a window to the rear aspect. And then we have the third bedroom. Again, good sizes here, good proportions. Window to the rear. And then we've got the shower room with separate wash basin. And then a corner shower cubicle with an electric shower. And we've also got the loft access point here as well. Okay, and we can move outside into the garden. We have a paved area here with a couple of steps down to the main lawned garden area. So just have a pond here on the left hand side. Then we have the timber sheds here at the far end of the garden. Another flagged patio area. And that concludes the online viewing for this property. So if you'd like to arrange a physical viewing, then please do contact the office as soon as you can. Thanks very much. Bye for now.